Hey CP Rebel families, this is Kate and Jeff from Dream Travel by Design, and Jeff and I visited Barcelo Maya Palace in December, and we took some pictures and videos of the resort and of the rooms, and we wanted to share what a typical room looks like at Barcelo Maya Palace for you to get an idea of what to expect. Take a look.
We hope you have a great time on your stay, and congratulations to all of you CP Rebel soon-to-be graduates. Have a great trip.
Bye.
Bye.